Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are not actually going to do a DIY video, blah 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 blah. We're actually not going to do a video, a DIY video, because I didn't have actually enough time to prepare, to edit and do all that. I'm running on a deadline, and I'm sorry if you expected that, but I have something else in store for you guys. So today, I woke up, I was like, what do my people need to hear from me? And I was like, do they need to hear advice? Do they need to hear about, I don't know what you guys want to hear from, but then I'd love to know. So comment down there below if you have any content that you like to see me do. And so today I'm just going to film a day with Esther, and my sister actually had to go to school today, so I won't be able to have a partner. So forgive me if the footage is not as great as you want it to be, but I'm a work in progress. And as you can see, today my hairstyle is different. I actually had to paint because I'm going back to school soon, and yeah, we'll be having a change of scenery soon. I'll stop being here and go back to school in Narok, but we'll still have great times there, people. We'll still have great time. So what I'm going actually to do, it's like 5 o'clock Gioni, and yeah, I know what time is this to film. The sun is going down, so I have to actually hurry up before the sun goes down, because I don't want to film in darkness. And I'm actually going out to do, what am I going to do? I'm just going to show you a day or an evening. It's because it's already evening, an evening with Esther. So I hope we have fun, people. We'll have fun. So actually guys, I was supposed to be filming inside the supermarket, but I haven't gotten over my fear of actually being seen recording inside a supermarket in public actually, but I'm getting over it. But today I wasn't able to film inside the hub. I was so scared, but like I started filming, then some guy popped out behind me, and I was like, fuck, security, you know the way malls are zamani. So I was like, manzemi, I can't, I just sijazoea. Plus talking to yourself when people are seeing isn't quite relaxing. Anyway, so before actually the light ipotee, I guess today was supposed to be a great day. The mall isn't filled by the haijajawa, so I was expecting a little bit less of people, but okay, there's this Mzungu there. I can see, I feel like I should offer him a seat, but it's not my place. So, but then he feels, I think he's shy. So I don't know. Anyway, I keep looking around for people. I should just ignore. Anyway, so today I've never filmed outside, got a place where I can actually record so that you can hear me without having to wonder if anyone is going to pass around. And it was kind of difficult, but I made it. And so I guess this turned out actually to be a picnic with me, because I like the hub. It's very peaceful. It's somewhere where you can chill. I couldn't go into a restaurant, because now hapo ungeanza, like you will have to start shouting, because now people are around you. I don't know if you can see me. I hope you can see me. So what I brought with me was some good old chili lemon crisps, just a little bit, because I didn't want to actually fill up, because we have supper. It's almost 7, I think. Plus I have this Carrefour chicken burger, which is really cheap, but it's like 200 bob, and for the beef one is like 500 bob, but I prefer beef. This one is smells kind of weird, but anyway. And plus utateremsha na nini kama si Coca-Cola. Taste, unaona taste the difference ama nini? Yeah, taste the difference, Coca-Cola. Anyway, so let me just say vile nimeshikilia hata hii tripod yangu sijui. Let me just adjust this a little bit like that. Yeah, I think you can see me. So I don't have somewhere where I can stand this tripod really nicely, so I'll just have to hold it like that. Anyway, so I'm actually just going to check out this burger if it's nice. I don't like chicken burgers, but I don't know. I just akuwa na ingine, so I just choose this one. So how's my day been? I have been recording and deleting footage all day long. Since I don't know, very long time ago. I'm actually just going to wipe my hands first. Some people are coming. I will act as if I'll just take a big bite, then it actually looks really nice. Not cheesy, but not cheesy. It's burnt, which is okay. So actually there were some people behind me, so I couldn't continue filming, but it turns out it's not that bad. I wouldn't say it's disgusting, but it's not disgusting. It's actually really nice, and it's been a while since I've actually had to enjoy myself this much as I've enjoyed myself in August. And because mostly when I'm around here, I'm either in school or in Kilifi, and I really miss just having time for myself, time to go and think about stuff. Right now I was actually noting down on my phone video ideas that I can have for DIYs, and it's really nice. By the way, it's really nice. And having time for yourself is something that you shouldn't actually take for granted, because you don't know when something else will happen, when someone else will come into your life, and you'll have to actually consider that person above yourself. So me time is just me time. I take myself out, I have fun. I actually, not that I didn't have people to actually go out with, I did. I just, sometimes it's nice to be I'm sorry. All this working is making my throat really sensitive. Yeah. So, I guess even if this video isn't long enough, I think you guys would have really had fun with me today. I was also to go to LC Waikiki. I was also to go to Decathlon, check out some skateboards there. Yeah, people I've decided to actually start skateboarding, not skating, skateboarding. And I was also to go there and check them out. I don't know if I'll go because I'm alone, but it's not, sina pesa ya kuspend sana that mnadhani why else is going to these fancy places. Manze, looking at stuff is free. Then when you actually save up money, you just go and buy the ones that you want. So today is actually just I was actually going to check out. Also at Carrefour, I heard they were having sales on snacks, and I went to check them out, but hizo sales ni kama zimeisha, so too bad for me. So I had to settle. That's why I was drinking, ningekunywa like 2 liter. They were selling, I think it was at 2 liter, like at 99 bob, something like that. So anyway, it's fine. Okay, it's actually getting darker, so I'm waiting for the sun to like settle kabisa, then I can go check out LC Waikiki. Also Miniso. I wanted to actually see if there was some great stuff. chili. That was unexpected. I was actually going to check out if they had bought new headphones. I really needed headphones, to block out the world. Anyway, I'm going to check out if they have anything new in Miniso. So I guess I'll just bring you guys along with me. Hopefully I'll still have the courage to film, because funny thing that has happened, you see the guy that was the mzungu I was telling you about that came akachungulia then left, saw me then left. Like he saw me filming. I guess he saw me filming because I was talking to myself. Then he just akajifanya like anapiga picha, then he just stood somewhere. Then after that, a lot of guys came to that area, so I had to leave because now I couldn't talk audibly without people wondering why I'm talking to a camera. So I had to leave there, and then I find them Mzungu also. We were living together. We were like, nah man, we can't deal with this shit right here. So we just chat from there. Then I was like, ama nimuite tufanye vlog na yeye. But anyway, and soon I'll be vlogging. I think by next week. No, the vlog that I'll release on next Wednesday, hopefully, won't be when I'm in. I will release it when I'm in Narok. I felt like someone was walking behind me. I'll release it in Narok, but I actually won't have filmed it in Narok. It's going to be a special vlog, so stay tuned. I'm going to have some friends over, not friends over like at my place. I'm going to have people inside my vlog who are my friends. So I'm going to feature some people, and we're going to talk, and it will be fun. So before further talking so much about myself, I think we should go to Decathlon. Just check today's excuse me, manze, ni coke bana, ni coke. Coca-Cola people, Coca-Cola. So before we get further into it, plus there's a lot of wind, I wonder if you can even hear me. Let's go to Decathlon. It's just all about window shopping. Decathlon, Miniso, then back to, maybe I'll go visit LC Waikiki, I'm not sure. Try out some new clothes, because trying out is free, people. It's free.
You gave me the letter, I guess it was July. You said we'll be better, but I don't know why. I should be so lonely when I close my eyes. Imagine you're mine. Sometimes I feel tired of my heavy thoughts. It's like start a fire when we're on the boat, and I'm on my own now, wasting my nights. centuries old letter with a heart round my name. I see it so clearly that you won't believe.
So guys, I wasn't able actually to film. LC Waikiki didn't have anything really nice that really attracted me.